instead of putting the two lines inside the callback of the document loaded events, we may want to separate these two lines into a function with a better name, so other developers will also know what we are doing. So to define a function, we can start with the keyword function, and then we give a name that we make up. For example, update current time, and then with open bracket, close bracket, and then space, curly bracket. So function is the keyword that tells the script, okay, in the following lines I'm going to define a function, and the function name is update current time with no parameters passing in, and the code inside the curly bracket is always the code that is going to run. So we can copy and paste the two lines into this function. We just simply do a copy and paste, and then now we can remove the two lines, and instead of calling the two lines inside this callback function, we can call the function that we defined. The name is update current time. So we type update current time, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon. So whenever the document is loaded, this content will be called, and the first line is update current time. So when you enter this callback function, it executes update current time, which call this line and this line to update the element with ID current time with the time that we specify. So if we save it, go back to our page, we refresh it, it's still working. So in order to prove it's still working, I may also add some indicator saying entering at, and then add the original hour, minutes, and seconds at the back in order to prove this is still working. You see? So the idea of moving things into a separate function is that things look neat and tidier. Imagine if you have 10 different things you want to do, you will end up have like if each part takes up like 3 to 4 lines, you will end up like 30 lines of JavaScript, which is hard to deal with. And if we separate into a function, at least we know, okay, this block is to update the current time. So this is the idea of a JavaScript function, and in the next video we will leverage this to do more interactive things with JavaScript. So see you in next video.